Here are accessories compatible with Xiaomi S10T robot vacuum. Roller brush is equipped with a powerful anti-tangle feature that cuts the hair entangled around the brush through the built-in blades. It is made of durable and wear-resistant ABS material, with nylon brushes on both sides capturing fine dust efficiently. The edge brush sweeps away dust from corners, thoroughly removing dirt, dust, and debris. The filter effectively traps dust and releases fresh air, while the magnetic design ensures a perfect fit between the filter and the robot vacuum, further capturing dust particles. Mop cloth is made of high-quality fine fibers, with strong water absorption to effectively reduce water stains.